Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Now let's make some beef quesadilla. So first guys, I'm just gonna chop some onions to go with my ground beef, and I'll also julienne some green bell pepper to top that off.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So in a skillet on medium heat, I'm adding some oil and I'm just gonna let that heat, then I'll add my onions. And I'll be sauteing those until they're fragrant. So now I add my beef and I'm just gonna let that cook for about 5 minutes.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
So now I'm adding my season. First I'm using the Maggi all-purpose season. Then I'm going to go in with some black pepper, Old Bay season, paprika, and some garlic powder. Now guys, you see all that grease? I don't like that, so I'm just gonna drain it, then return it back to the skillet.
No, I don't want no rest.
So now guys, I'm assembling my quesadilla. First I'm going in with my cheese, and this is a mozzarella cheese, and yeah, this is a good amount of cheese. You wanna use a good amount of cheese, guys, because you want that tortilla to stick to the cheese and you don't want it to lift. And now I'm just gonna spread that ground beef all over that cheese. Then I'll go in with my green pepper and then more cheese.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll
Now guys, on medium heat, I'm just adding my queso to that large skillet, and I'm just gonna let my cheese melt, and that's about it, guys. I like when my queso is a bit brownish. I don't like it to be white. I like it to be a bit crispy. So yeah. And there you have it, guys. Our quesadillas are ready to be served, and you guys are gonna cut your quesadillas into wedges, and you'll serve this with lime wedges or, you know, sour cream. But anyways guys, that's the end of the video. Once more, I thank you guys so much for stopping by. I love you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. Turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
Skin, you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the